Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up with simple designing on the plain kurta or for the churidar, giving a pinch of an ethnic style with the mirror work embellished with the golden beads. This type of patterns will look simple but yet stylish for the office or the daily wear. So let's quickly start with this project. अब आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी वर्जन में भी देख सकते हैं। चैनल का लिंक आपके सामने है, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी अवेलेबल है। क्लिक कीजिए अमेजिंग एबीसी फैशन चैनल को और देखते रहे लेटेस्ट फैशन और ट्रेंडी वीडियोस को। And the materials I'm going to use for this project is this plain crepe fabric of 2.5 meters and the mirrors of two different sizes, the medium and the small size. And the golden beads of small size. To stitch, I'll be using this hemming needle with the cotton silk thread. Fabric glue for the sticking of these mirrors, and finally the main ingredient, camlin fabric cone of black color. This is the cone liner. In my previous video some of them has asked how it looks and how much it costs. It's of 25 rupees for this cone. Now let's see the markings on this kurti. So on the top I'd be leaving 9 inches and mark the center. This would be the center for the kurti or for the churidar, and this is how I'll mark in the shape of V. And with the gap of 2 inches I'll mark 4 to 5 lines in this V shape only. The gap I would be maintaining is of 2 inches. It's upon your requirement, you can change. Either you can decrease or increase the length as per your requirement. On this line also I'll be giving the marking of 2 inches. On all the lines I'll mark of 2 inches like this. Now that the marking is done, I'll apply the glue dots on this marked points like this. Now on this glue dots I'll stick the medium size mirrors, and I would be using the plastic mirrors. Place it like this and slowly dab on it. So that the glue will spread evenly underneath this mirror. Done with the sticking of this medium size mirrors. Now I'll apply the glue in between again, so that we will stick small size mirrors in between of this glue spots. This is how I'll stick in between. Now I'll be using the outliner cone to highlight these mirrors, giving the outline like this. The thickness you can give as per your requirement. If you want thin like this, you can give 1 round. More broader you want, give 2 to 3 rounds like this. It will spread evenly and you'll get the broader lines. Maintain the uniqueness. Once you follow 2 to 3 lines, the same has to be followed on all the mirrors so that it will evenly and gives the unique look. Now in between this gap of V-line shape, I'd again give the markings of 1 inch like this, so that I'll stitch the golden beads in between on these marked points. This I'll give the hand stitch for the long run using the hemming needle and the cotton silk thread. And for this drying, it will take 1 complete day, so let it be for 1 day and then stitch it. And I have joined the beads. This is how it looks. This would be the final outcome. And really my churidar is looking awesome, isn't it? And see how simple plain kurtis or the churidars we have turned into ethnic pattern using the simple small things. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for watching, friends. See you all. Bye for now.